guys how to add fractions with unlike denominators. So to start us off with, before adding this fraction, we needed to find a common denominator. So a denominator is the bottom number of a fraction. So in this case, the 4 and 12 are denominators, so I'll label that D. The top number is the numerator. So in this case, the numerators are 3 and 5. Label that in. So now we need to find two denominators that are the same that we can use to add this fraction. You can't add fractions unless they have a common denominator. So how you find the common denominator is you can either multiply 4 times 12, but that's 48, which is a really big number for a fraction. So we have to find a simpler way to do it. So how you can do it is 4 times what equals 12? 4 times 3 equals 12. So we would multiply 4 by 3. Since we did that to the denominator, we have to do that to the numerator. So we have to do 3 times 3. Since we didn't have to multiply this numerator, we don't have to multiply this numerator. Or since we didn't multiply this denominator, we don't have to multiply this numerator. So now we can do 4 times 3 is 12. And 3 times 3 is 9. And since we didn't have to multiply, we'll just bring this one down. Now we're finally ready to add. So we can basically do just 9 plus 5, which is 14. And just keep the same denominator since they're both the same. So now we know 9 twelfths plus 5 twelfths equals 14 twelfths. But we have to do a little simplifying. Simplifying is where you can make your number smaller. You don't have to do this, but it makes the fraction simpler to understand and a little bit easier to visualize. So how you can do this is you can divide the two numbers, the numerator and denominator, by the same number. So we can both divide these evenly by 2. And that is the only number that these two are divisible by. So 14 divided by 7, divided by 2 is 7. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay, now we have another problem. 7, 6 is not a fraction. You can't really do that. So you have to make this you have to start regrouping this. How you regroup it is you take 7 goes into 6 how many times? 7 goes into 6 one time. So we'll write 1 over here. Then how you can figure that out is just do 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. And then use the same denominator, so that's 1 6. So your answer is 3/4 plus 5/12 equals 1 and 1 6. Thanks for watching.